What's going on, guys? It's been a while since I've been on this camera. I'm sorry, I know it's been a while. But there's police and there's a car show. Alright, I gotta go. I gotta go down there and see what's going on. Let's go. Let's go and find out. I'm sitting inside of a Model S right now. Oh my gosh. This is so comfortable. Look at this screen. The screen is huge. Look at that. Holy cow. You know, in videos, like, you can't really tell how comfortable these seats really are, but they really are comfortable. Like, I wouldn't mind this for long journeys. And they have the sunroof too. Wow. Look at that. There's so many cars here. I'm like in Nirvana right now. This is awesome. So, you can just look at all of this. And look. It's just so cool. Here, let's check out the rest of the car. So, this is where you can like, see, you can change the stuff. I don't want to mess with this guy's car because he's very graciously letting me sit in it. This only has, I think that's how many miles it actually has on the odometer. 218 miles on the clock. So I really do not want to mess with it. It is a Model S 85. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Here. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. It's actually a pretty spacious trunk, believe it or not. Personal stuff, don't mess with it. You have the cargo protector right here as well. Little light. Emergency hatch release. Look at that. This is my first ever frunk experience. And that's for the emergency, so that if you get locked in here, you can just open it up. This is Nissan. And it's 0 emissions right here. Now, if you guys remember, I used to have a Nissan Altima. So this is just different. The seats feel different too. Wow, but they're so much more, like, they're so supportive. And here's the trunk for the Nissan Leaf.
Found it. Well, I just met him today. Well, that should help.
This. Look at that in there.
So they made $10. It's a couple $1 million development work.
Wow.
Control Tesla car. They have
It's so cute. He's actually getting the owner of this vehicle to open it up for me. That's pretty cool. So this is the GT version of it, and this was built in 98, 99 time period. So this is everything is original in this vehicle, and this is the back. So it is a coupe design, but wow. Like, you can look at all that range, power, rev, keys in there. It's very simple, but there's only 4,101 miles on this car. That is insane.
Little baby. So this is the time of EVs when they could have, should have, would have happened, but they won't move.
Wow.
It all went away.
And that's how you bring the windows down and whatnot. That is insane.
100% electric. Yes.
100% electric.
There was 100-mile.
That was not me, that was the owner. This is insane. It's so beautiful. It smells brand new in here too. Look at that. Wow.
400 miles. Yes, it's very short at the front. That's kind of long at the back.
And here we have the popular Model X. So, as many YouTubers have this vehicle, it is insane. David Dobrik, Jake Paul. And just look at it. I'm not going to get inside of the vehicle since, like, sit down, because I do not have permission from the owner of the vehicle, just out of respect. But look at that. It feels so wide and open. Just look at it from that perspective. It's just like huge. But like the leather in here and everything just feels really good. It's got the same controls as the other Model S does. Now there are some vehicles where people are, oh, look at that, more cup holders in the back seat. But there's literally no room in the back seat for anyone. We have a Model 3. Would you look at that, a Model 3. Wow, the seats actually feel really good in here. Wow. Seat controls over here. Model 3's trunk is actually pretty deep in there. It goes pretty deep in there. And this is where you would touch your keypad, the card, if you had the guest card thing right here. But these are the little rotary balls that you get, gear changer. These seats though, wow. The Model 3 seats, very nice. I like it a lot. I'm enjoying this a lot. Wow.
I saw another leak that was like every 6 months. Or if you were
It's actually really nice. So, wow. You can see the sunroof, panoramic sunroof, goes right across.
With 300 miles, you know, I would say there are places where you can make something.
Nothing, it's bare. Everything is controlled through the center cluster.
And hopefully they will.
No transmission hump. It's completely flat. That's cool.
I've been insecure for no reason.
So that results in more legroom. But wow. And here we have the Toyota Prius. The seats sitting down, I can tell that the leather is of higher Toyota quality. I've sat in a lot of like hot like leather Toyotas, and this has like a lot of good support and whatnot on it. Now for this model year, I'm not really sure what year this is, but they have a really big screen, and I'm assuming this is the brand new Prius. I hope my assumption is right, but it's really cool. These seats, like, they hug your body properly. You have all the seat adjustment controls and whatnot on it as well. Yeah, that's this is stuff is normal. That's the garage opener. So, and they also have the charging thingy for your phone. It's pretty cool. I don't mind this car much at all. Like the back seats, they have a baby, so obviously they have a baby seat, but you can check out how good that's supporting your baby seat. So it is only 4 seats though. Downfall. There is heated seats as well. So I just can't get everything. I'm assuming, yep, there's controls over there too. So say hello to the Hyundai Kona EV Limited front wheel drive. So this is not all-wheel drive. As an SUV, that is actually pretty surprising. And the sticker price as is $42,330. I'm sure that there's gonna be some rebates and whatnot for it as well, but that's the gear selector. I don't know if I like the gear selector over there. Well, it's normal, but I don't like the button form of it though. I don't like how it is, basically. I don't know. I don't have any stigma attached to Honda. I actually like their rental vehicles a lot whenever I get them. They're actually very fluid. I enjoy the cars. I don't know. I don't like that screen at all. It looks so retro and old and out of date. I don't like that at all. Like, Hyundai, what are you doing? So this is the key fob that it comes with. It doesn't have. It's really not anything special at all. It's got the regular roof. It's not. I mean, the seats don't even feel like, compared to the Toyota Prius, which is going to be pretty much the same price. I'd go for the Prius if this vehicle's just an SUV, but that car has, except for the extra seat in this vehicle, you're pretty much not getting anything else. It's very, very, very bare and bland for that much money. I would expect Hyundai to give us something more than that. I really do not, like, I don't know. Like, compared to the other vehicles, compared to the Prius, okay, the Prius is giving you a huge touchscreen. And this thing over here is giving you this little rinky-dinky thing that looks like it's from the 1990s, when it's a brand new car. It's only got 20 miles on it. So, come on. I'm not really impressed with it at all, whatsoever. Hyundai, step your game up. Your competitors are winning against you. So, auto drive mode, I'm assuming there might be a sport mode in it or extra fluent, whatever. So, I'm not really fond of this vehicle. I'm gonna move on to the next one. This thing just this thing's just, it's got paddle shifters, I guess. Huh. I guess it gets something for it. So that's the event right there, by the way. Lowell drives electric. So yeah, let's go on to the next car. Oh, and it also has a hump. The other cars up to now do not have that. That pretty much does it, guys, for today. I appreciate every single one of you watching. Thank you very much for giving me the most valuable thing you have in life, which is your time. I appreciate it, guys. And I will see you guys on the next one. I'm sorry that there's such a delay between the whole entire uploads and whatnot, but hope this makes up for it. But yeah, thank you all so very much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed. I certainly did enjoy, very much so. And it's not very often that I can go to a Tesla Model X and be able to sit inside of it. Now that I've sat inside of it, it's definitely like, I can see why people are so crazy about Teslas now. I understand the hype behind it, so it makes sense. But thank you all for watching. Thank you all for giving me your time. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.